Secure external password store is functionality that you can use together with encrypted databases to make operations easier. If you need to know more about secure external password store, visit the slide deck. There's a hidden slide with some very useful links to the documentation and some really good blog posts. In this demo, I'll show you how you can upgrade a non-cdb database from 12.2 to 19c and convert it into a PDB. I'll also show you how the target container database is configured with a secure external password store, so I only need to load in the keystore password of the non-cdb database. Normally, you would need the keystore password both for the non-cdb and the container database, but since I'm using secure external password store, I only need the keystore password of the non-cdb database. I could also configure secure external password store both places, and then I wouldn't need to enter any keystore passwords at all. But for the sake of the demo, I'm going to do a combination and show you that auto upgrade can handle each scenario. So let's dive right into it. I'll set the environment to my non-cdb database and connect. You can see here that it has an encrypted tablespace called users. This is my auto upgrade configuration file. It's fairly simple. I'm upgrading DB12 and plugging it in to CDB2. And because there are encrypted tablespaces, I'm specifying the global.keystore parameter. Let's go ahead and analyze the database. It takes a little while before auto upgrade produces a summary report. Let's check it to see if there are anything we need to fix. As expected, there is a failure. We need TDE keystore passwords. Let's look at the details in the pre-upgrade log file. I'll find that there are some required before upgrade actions. I need to load in the keystore password for DB12, the non-CDB, and for CDB2, the target container database. Both passwords are needed for this operation. So let's start auto upgrade with the load password command line option. It's the first time I'm using the keystore, so auto upgrade will create a new one and prompt for a password to protect it. Then I can load in the database keystore password for my non-CDB. And then I choose to save that password into the auto upgrade keystore and convert it into an auto login keystore, so auto upgrade won't prompt me for the keystore password when it starts. Then I'll set the environment to my container database. I verify that the secure external password store has not been configured yet. The parameter is empty. So let's do an alter system and set the parameter. It points to a directory in the file system where the external store will be located. It's a static parameter, so we need to quickly bounce the database. And now I can load the database keystore password into the external store by using the administer key management command and adding a secret. For client TDE wallet means this is the database keystore password. So let's reanalyze the database again. We loaded in the password for the non-CDB, and the container database is now configured with secure external password store. Auto upgrade doesn't prompt for the auto upgrade keystore because I created it as an auto login. The analysis completes, so now let's check the summary report. There are no problems because auto upgrade has access to the keystore password of the non-CDB, and the container database has secure external password store. So let's just go ahead and do the upgrade. Again, auto upgrade doesn't prompt for the keystore password. And now the operation starts. Let's just skip forward in time. After a while, the job completes, the database has been upgraded and converted to a PDB. So let's connect to the target container database. I can see that the PDB has been plugged in, DB12. It is opened in read-write mode and unrestricted, so all looks good. Let's switch to the PDB. We can see that the encrypted tablespace is there, and the keystore looks fine as well. So that was it. You can upgrade and convert an encrypted database using a combination of the auto upgrade keystore and secure external password store.